Hi, my name is Jeremy Becker. I'm the founder of Cloverleaf AI. I'm excited to take you on a quick tour of how our platform keeps government affairs and external affairs professionals ahead of the government by working with the conversations around the laws that they're looking to influence, can get them in the room before something is enforced. So here I have a simple search run on our platform with phrases like policy, regulate, regulation, ban, but I have those married to the phrase AI within 10 seconds. So essentially, I'm looking across all the government meetings in the US where policy may have been said within 10 seconds of AI. I can then filter down by a state, including the federal government. I can get really specific and go into counties and cities, or I can do a type of hearing. So if I'm only tracking at the state level, I'll only see this at the state level. I do like to call out these search terms, totally flexible, proper nouns, acronyms, longer phrases, shorter phrases. I can pick, one topic, pick one community, like say, just care about the FDA, and I want to back it up 4 years to see everything they've ever said about AI. I can do that as well. What we will then return is the name of the hearing, the date it was published, and the agency that put it out. And I would just like to scroll through these with local of Fairfax, federal, local again, some state down here. And it's great to know that they're talking about this issue in Texas. But the real value of what we do is when I click that tile, it's going to jump me to the exact moment in that hearing where they were having that conversation. So I don't just get that it was mentioned. Out of this 5.5 hour meeting, I get taken to the exact moment so I can see how it was talked about it, who's talking about it, and we always link to their contact page at all levels of government. From there, I can work with the full transcript PDF. I can expand this to read a little bit more. I can share this moment with anyone internally or externally, so I can kick it over to a client or to an external contractor if I want. And the real value of what we do is that we don't expect you to live inside this platform. Once you set up your search, once you tell us what you care about tracking, we send you an email every day that looks a little something like this. It'll tell you which of your keywords were mentioned and in which meetings. So I can go straight from my inbox into the moment in that meeting where it was discussed, share it out, get the context I need, and be on my way. This core functionality gives us the ability to also summarize these hearings. And we can do that generically, like you see here. As soon as any hearing ends, we can send you something telling you what was discussed in that meeting. If that looks interesting to you, can jump into our platform for a more detailed breakdown, still preserving your ability to jump to the moment in the hearing to see what was discussed in more detail. The really powerful thing we can do, though, is we can customize these summaries. So that's what we're doing for our folks like Holland and Knight. They tell us what they care about in this profile, fill it out, tell us what their goals are, and then we can take these hearings, and I have a federal one here. We can summarize it, tell you what decisions were made, all of that. And these summaries themselves are customizable as well in terms of how they look, what data they capture. And so that was a federal one, and I just wanted to highlight a state level one as well. Everything that was discussed in here, who was discussing it, you can make your decisions quicker because all of these transcripts and these summaries are ready within an hour of the hearing ending. I want to say that one more time. Within 1 hour of the hearing ending, we can deliver these transcripts and these summaries directly to your inbox. Look forward to sharing a little bit more about what we do and learning more about what you do.